Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, today I have this package for almost 3 weeks, but I don't have time to open. So I purchased, I tried. So this I ordered this stuff in Bed Bath and Beyond. So first, when I looked this product, I went to their store, but I can't say it in the store. They said that I will order it online. So I ordered it online, and now I have received the package, and I need to open it. Because I have a 1 year manufactured warranty of this. I ordered online. So let's see what I'm ordering online, guys. So we will open this box from Bed Bath and Beyond. Okay. So we need to open this. Careful. My husband kept telling me when you're gonna open your box, so I'm just so busy, guys. I have so many stuff, a lot to do. So okay. So now I open the box. Oh, ta-da! So, okay. All right. So here I have a card. So we will remove this. So I have a receipt of number receipt that of Bed Bath and Beyond. So it's in case if I want to return it. So this can be the return instruction here. And I have, what is this? Okay, it's like advertisement. Okay, guys. So guys, so I order this Westband Cocoa Crazy Hot Chocolate Maker. So okay, let's open it. So before I talk, I need to open it. What's look like? Oh shit! Oh my god! Sorry, guys. Oh Lord, disgusting. Sorry, guys. So we need to open this one. Alright, then. So, okay. So, alright. So I have the instruction here. So I must put this in here so that I will not look at. So this is, guys. We'll open it, guys. I'm so excited to use this, guys. Oh, okay, now, wow. See? Alright, I don't know if you can see this, guys. Oh. Okay. Can you see it, guys? Alright. Or maybe I need to do my, okay, so I just make my camera. So okay, all right. So this is very cozy up with a cup of my favorite hot chocolate. So this and favorite hot chocolate, like you can put any hot chocolate or a hot cider with a Ben Cocoa Crazy Hot Chocolate Maker. So it makes heats and froths any favorite hot beverage automatically. So it's easy and enjoy them anytime. So how nice is that, guys? What you think? This makes heats and froths your favorite beverage. They have the reheat function, and have the push button control in here, and you have the cancel, and you have the auto shut off cancel button for safety. And it said there's this 500 watts. This is a 500 watt hand wash. It's BPA-free. So this is a 1 year limited warranty. So guys, I'm so excited this waistband cocoa crazy hot chocolate maker. So guys, I will give you a good review this one when I'm using this cocoa crazy hot maker. See that guys, it makes heat, fruit, and enjoy. See that? Automatically makes heat and fruit, hot chocolate, mochas, lattes, cappuccinos, and more. So it's removable pitcher. See that guys? So you can remove and clean it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Tomorrow I'm gonna use this for my breakfast. And it's also non-stick heating plate for easy clean up, gourmet recipe, and clothes. Wow, that's really nice. Actually guys, I have already for my gourmet. This is only for my beverage that I will make, like apple cider, hot cider, you know, so you can mix coffee, hot coffee, chocolate latte, cappuccino. So guys, this is my new toy. This is my new appliances, my new toy in my kitchen. Do you know how a lot my kitchen is full of my stuff? Nothing for my husband. It's all this is all mine. So guys, so this is my new waistband cocoa crazy chocolate maker. So guys, I will give you the good review of this chocolate maker when I'm gonna use it. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching my videos, and guys, please like and comment. And I am new subscriber here on YouTube. Please subscribe my videos, my channel, and thank you. I have almost 36 subscriber. Thank you all my subscriber, and see you next video. Woo. Okay guys, see you later. I'm excited this, and then I'm gonna use this tomorrow. Okay, bye guys.